So this is number 2. This is the font Excel video. So we're going to be looking at this area over here. I think this is quite a straightforward one. So let's say I've got Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo. Okay, and so this first box, you have many fonts. I've obviously not used any of them, but you can see that it kind of changes the style of it. I think the story is Steve Jobs was really into calligraphy, and he wanted to have lots of different writing. I don't know if that's true. I think that's the case, and don't quote me on it. But there we go. So that's where we have, lots of different ways of. I'm just picking the ones that I've got. So yeah, you can see they look different. The second one is the size. So let's make Charlie a bit bigger. Let's make it much bigger so you can see the difference. You can also make it smaller. There's a few smaller. You can also in here type in the number that you want, and it'll even if it's not there. I think 70 might be there. 72 is there. So it goes up in certain numbers, but you can choose what you want. And then if you wanted to do it, easily, you just go up or down. I think it's blocking at 8. Can it do a 5? Let's see. Nope. So smallest is 8. If you select them all at once and then type a number, let's go with 20. It makes it all the same size. So if they're different sizes, you type in the number to put it in there. But if they're all different sizes, they're all different sizes, and you just go up or down. Oh no, it does do it. It does unify them into one. I don't know which one it does. You also have bold, italic. Let's go. I'm just going to copy special the formats. No, in fact, let's copy these over here. I'm just going to paste the values. We did that in the last video on clipboard. So these are now all the same, and I just want to show you the difference between bold, italic, underlined, and then maybe bold, italic, and maybe italic and underlined. So you can kind of see the differences. Next to underlined, you can also do double lined. So let's do double underlined. Yeah, so that's what they look like. And then now you also have this one, bottom. Oh yeah, so you now have borders. So this is like this. So you can kind of see the cell. You can remove these lines. They're called grid lines. I will come to that another time. They don't actually exist. If you were to print this page, I think they don't show up. This is just like Excel as a visual thing. But if you want things to actually show up, you can add borders. So let's say there's a slightly thicker line at the bottom. We click on that, and you can see there's a slightly thicker line there. And it doesn't link to this cell. So if I copy this cell, the underline continues. Whereas here, the underline's above it. If I copy this cell and paste it here, there's no line above. So that's the difference between having an underline on that one and not an, what's this one called? The overhead one, top border. So now that Bravo is still, if I copy it, there's no border. But if I copy Charlie, because it's got a top header, a top line, you can see the top line there. Then you also have highlight, boom. You can pick lots of different colors, and you have the font. Where's that? Yeah, the font. There we go. What does this do? This brings up all the details. So if I had a cell, this is me. You could do anything you wanted with it. You could. Well, this is specific if there's a number, for example. You can. Well, actually, no. That's going to be another section. So on the font side, it's all the same things that we've seen above. This includes a few extra ones, and you can see the effect that it'll have. So have a little play around with that. You can do lots of fun things to the things that you are working on. There you go. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you next time. Thanks.